for men especially, and certainly for me, it's a surrender issue. You know, like you just think, oh God, to submit to it again, you know, to have it totally take me out of control, to have it be totally in charge. And then, you know, you just have to take the plunge. And I always, Leo used to have a prayer, which I can't do the prayer, but I got the idea. And the basic idea is, here I am, I trusted you enough to do this, please don't hurt me. You know? I mean, you have to humble yourself. I mean, I know people who are very, well, I'm thinking of a certain person who's a very strong, masculine ego type, pushy, talks too loud, has made a lot of money, is used to being taken seriously. And God, when this guy took mushrooms, he absolutely hated it. And because it told him, it said, you know, you're a jerk, and I'm going to make you feel it. And he hated it. And yet, and he was telling me the story as though I should say to him, lucky for you, you escaped from the claws of this vicious mushroom. And I was, of course, thinking to myself, my God, it's exactly what this guy needed to hear. It's amazing. But the surrender thing is an issue, and it doesn't get easier, I think. And I've talked to shamans in the Amazon about this, and they say, you think this stuff is easy for us to do? You think just because I run around with a penis sheath on my ding-dong that this is any less weird for me than for you? It isn't.